This video demonstrates how to ship an order via proprietary warehouse. To follow along with this video demo, you must have connected a shipping account, set a shipping address, and at least one order ready to ship. Before shipping, click on Setup. At Proprietary Warehouse under the Warehouse section, click on the Create button. Fill in the warehouse and address detail information, and click Save to add a new customized warehouse. Go to the Order tab. Pending column is divided into 4 parts. Unmapped listings represent products that have not been matched to the inventory. You can click on the red font to enter the product name or SKU to match, or use the Refresh Mapping button in the upper right corner to update automatically. You can also click on the Repair Error button to map the warehouse products. Out of stock represents products that are no longer in stock. You can click Refresh Stock to try to update the stock information. If the update fails, you need to adjust quantities based on the available inventory. Copy the SKU code, click Inventory, search for the SKU, check whether there's any record in stock. If the inventory is recorded and the quantity shows 0, you'll need to manually click on Adjust Inventory to add quantities. If the inventory is not recorded, you'll need to click on Add Inventory to manually add the product and warehouse name, unit cost, location, and quantity of inventory. Click Done to finish adding inventory. Return to the Out of Stock section. Click Repair Arrow to manually select the warehouse name to complete the stock matching. The listing in the Address Invalid column represents orders with an incorrect address, which needs to be corrected manually by clicking Invalid and tap in Right information. Unpaid represents orders that have been placed but not paid for the customer. Orders that don't have the above problem will go directly to the To Ship status. Go to the To Ship tab. You can buy labels, split the order, print the packing slip, pick list, and add notes under this column. Check the goods you want to ship. Click the Action column of the list on the Buy Label button. The page will automatically jump. You just need to choose warehouse name, fill in weight, package information, and in the shipping info, select carrier, shipment date, signature, insurance, and mode of transportation. After you click Get Rate, Fulfiller will automatically calculate the logistic costs. Please note that under the Enter Dimensions, you can fill in the special information of the parcel to save as a preset template. Click Buy to complete the purchase of shipping labels. Click on the drop-down menu under the Shipping field to quickly select the warehouse. Hover over and click the package and shipping information to update the preset information. In addition, you can click Buy Label on the action bar to purchase shipping labels in bulk, or click Batch Modify to update package, shipping, and warehouse information, print packing slip, pick list, and complete adding notes. After buying the shipping label, the order will enter into the In Process status. Go to In Process tab. The Obtaining column covers orders which are in the process of buying shipping labels. Normal means orders that buying shipping labels successfully. On the contrary, failed means orders that buying shipping labels unsuccessfully. In the Normal column, check the order you want to ship. You can print labels, packing slips, and pick lists by clicking button in the Action bar or Action column of the list. These 3 different labels could be marked respectively. After marking, the printer icon will turn blue. Orders in field can be corrected according to the red font to check the reasons for the failure of printing shipping labels. Click Cancel Label. Then the order will automatically flow back to the To Ship status. You only need to modify the label information according to the prompts to reprint it. When the above operation is completed, the order will successfully turn into shipped status. Click on the logistic number to follow the tracking information. That concludes our introduction how to ship orders by proprietary warehouse. There are more detailed and examples available within our online help center. Thanks for watching.